Good afternoon, everyone. This is Pat Wilkins with MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. Got another special listing to show you guys. It's a 2019 SPX-OB by Sea Ray. Really nice family boat. Great layout. Lots of options on this one. Quick little walkthrough. The exterior. Nice forward seating. Plenty of storage inside. Twin bolster seats, aft bench seat, Mercury 150 4-stroke, nice bimini top with the cover. Let's step aboard and take a look. Starting on the swim platform here, you'll notice that there's a 4-step swim ladder, as well as sea deck up until you step into the cockpit. The splash well here, you see the Sea Star steering ram, hydraulic steering, Mercury 4-stroke, 150 horsepower. This one's equipped with the skiing water sports tow bar. Nice sun pad on the back here. Stepping down to get a better look at the stern of this one. Firstly, we'll start with this compartment. The battery compartment. The single battery switch. Nice and clean, as you can see. Under the sun pad is a giant storage container here. You can fit, as you can see, 5-gallon bucket still has plenty of room to go. More storage on the starboard side here. Room to fit a cooler, whatever you want. Got life jackets, your fire extinguisher mounted. Really nice space to store some activity stuff here. This bench seat, some more storage. Acts as a cooler. The drain plug that goes to the bilge. Storage. This thing can hold the whole fam and all their toys. You can see these flip down bolsters for the captain's chair, as well as the co-captain or first mate. Nice Sea Ray stitching upholstery, in good condition. Boat's in great condition, guys. It's got the Fusion stereo system with 4 separate Fusion speakers with Bluetooth capabilities. You've got your analog gauges with your hour meter at the bottom and digital. Your fuel and trim indicators on the starboard side of the dash. And then your Simrad GPS unit. Ties it all together. Nice Sea Ray logo on the steering wheel. Moving back to the port side, you've got some more storage here. Another big storage here. This one's equipped with the full boat cover, as well as the poles to keep the water out. This boat has been dry kept its whole life. It's a 2019 model. It's got less than 50 hours on the motor. This one will not last long. Standing up here in the bow, you can see these nice bow riding area with more speakers. Guys, if you have any questions about this boat, visit MarineMax.com. Give me a call on my cell at 239-249-4345. Again, this is Pat Wilkins with MarineMax Wrightsville Beach, showing you a 2019 SPX-OB by Sea Ray. Give us a call, guys. Thanks for watching.